The BigAlex folding walking cane LED-2 is a thoughtfully designed walking aid with a comfort-enhancing handle covered with thermoplastic rubber above and below, which fits nicely into the user's palm, reducing fatigue and providing a comfortable experience. This walking cane features two LED lights on the handle, which can be directed in different ways to enhance visibility while walking at night or going up or down stairs, increasing the user's sense of security. The height of the cane can be easily adjusted from 31.1 inches to 38.2 inches, making it suitable for people between 5 feet 1 inch and 6 feet 3 inches tall. The cane's stable base is made from a rubber material similar to that used in tires, providing excellent anti-slip performance and wear resistance, ensuring a firm grip on different surfaces, indoors or outdoors, and even in snowy or rainy conditions. The BigAlex cane features a collapsible design, which enables it to be folded up within seconds to a compact size of 5.2 inches by 17.1 inches, and it comes with a carry bag, making it easy to take on the go. Being a product from Ningkan Tire Huayongpin Yushanggongsi, a manufacturer known for quality, this BigAlex cane guarantees reliability and durability.